how to generate amazing ads using your agent and mining Reddit and Trustpilot reviews. This is a short video which I wanted to record based on learnings and observations that I had in my solution, which is currently called Rospig. For those of you who don't know, Rospig is a solution for performance marketing teams that allows users to create better ads by scraping their competitors' ads, analyzing them, generating ads with one click, then uploading everything to Meta, analyzing Meta numbers, Meta's data, and generating more ads based on this. Now, in our ads, what we are using a lot is a skill that we call complaints mining, and this skill is triggered by the agent that writes the script for the ad. And it is something that we are getting a lot of compliments from design partners about, because our copywriting, at least based on the feedback, feels much better than other solutions. And the reason why it is better, in my opinion, is the fact that we mine Reddit and Trustpilot. Now, how we do this? Basically, we have an agent that is in charge of the whole script writing. But during the script writing, one of the phases is mining Reddit. Now, what we do in this Reddit mining is, first of all, spinning a sub-agent with clear context. And what it does, it scrapes using Bright Data, the Bright Data MCP. It scrapes Reddit subreddits related to the topic. So for example, if it's a fat loss solution, like a GLP-1 solution, it's going to go to many fat loss stories or weight loss stories, and it's going to analyze what are people complaining about when it comes to different diets, different solutions, etc. Now, the cool thing about using the Bright Data MCP, besides the fact that it has very generous credits and the fact that it allows you to access pages that usually would be blocked by Cloudflare, is the fact that it's very autonomous. And since we are using the MCP, the agent kind of orchestrates this, and it can dig deeper when it feels it's necessary, or it can also crawl more subreddits when it feels that it doesn't have good enough solution. So it's very flexible, which makes it very valuable, in my opinion. So after we extract the pain points, based on the pain points and the customer complaints, we generate the script for an ad. Obviously, this can also be useful for a landing page. And in this short video, I will show you like the process that we did in order to generate static ads, but obviously this is also useful for video ads. And I'm mentioning only Reddit, but this also can be relevant for Trustpilot. So for example, what we do in terms of Trustpilot, we go to all the competitors of our current client. We mine their negative feedback. So we go to the feedback or the reviews that have 1 star or 2 stars. We analyze them and we add them to the ad copy. And then we go to the positive feedback, the positive Trustpilot reviews that our solution has. And we synthesize the positive feedback that we have and the negative feedback that the competitors have. And based on this, we generate just more powerful ads copy. The process is very straightforward. As soon as you plug the Bright Data MCP in, it's very simple. The agent is going to be in charge of the whole thing. Let me show you like a quick snapshot of the process that we've used in order to generate copy for ads of Rospig, which is the solution that we have. So we use Bright Data MCP to search Google for Reddit posts where advertisers are complaining about Meta ads. So as you can see over here, someone said that I've been burning money on Meta ads like an idiot. Meta ad is completely broken. Is anyone else burning cash on ads but barely getting sales? my e-commerce is dying, please help me, my ROAS dropped, etc. So you can see, like, we can take the exact tone of voice of customers and use it in our copy. Then the agent is taking all the markdown that Bright Data generated with all the pain points and comments, all the raw Reddit content, and it generates using an LLM. If you're connected to GLM or Claude or GPT, whatever, it generates copy based on this. So burning money was the #1 recurring phrase. Advertisers feel like they are lighting cash on fire with zero return. The ROAS is collapsing. A lot of people are encountering creative fatigue. Many people don't trust the platform anymore. Some people are giving up, and people feel that Meta ads is like a casino. Obviously, we can increase the scale. This is like a very small sample size, but since Bright Data has the ability to scrape a ton of reviews, and the context window can be huge, it's not really a big deal to even take a very significant amount of posts and comment and synthesize them. Then we turn, or the LLM or the agent turns the pain points into ad copy. So you can see the ad angle over here is wasted spend. The headline is stop burning money on ads that don't convert. And this is the hook. You're not bad at ads, your creatives are just tired. AI generated angles from real customer pain points. This is just an example. And then we generated these beautiful ads. We have a dedicated skill for this, but we are using GPT image under the hood, using replicate or whichever endpoint providers that you would like. All these ads were generated with 45 seconds. Obviously, you can use your own infrastructure or you can use Rospig. The reason I suggest using Rospig, obviously I'm biased, but we have underlying skills that would make the copy better and also the visuals better. And this is the results. Stop burning money on ads that don't convert. This is how it looks like. This is another ad. Your ROAS dropped from 3x to nothing. And this is another ad using the exact copy of someone that actually, that exact copy that we found on Reddit. I just shut down all of my 27 of my campaigns. And you can see here's the ad. So again, the full process takes approximately 10 minutes. It even takes less if you're using Rospig. You can also push everything via API to Meta ads and then also analyze it. So it's the full pipeline. Seriously, it can take me like 10 minutes for 50 ads or even less. And just recapping the process, you must have the Bright Data MCP or something that will allow you visibility into Reddit and Trustpilot. If you don't need scale, you can use the Playwright MCP bridge, but I usually recommend using Bright Data because it's going to be faster. It doesn't take your browser, your logged in browser, and it's more scalable because they take care of the infrastructure, and it's also so cheap, so why not? So basically the agent is going to find Reddit posts, is going to scrape them, it's going to take the raw content and synthesize it using the agent, and then it's going to generate ad copy, the prompts for the ad generation, and it's going to generate the prompts. After it has the prompts, it's going to generate the images, and then you can do whatever you'd like. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have in the background OpenCode testing NoFluff. Funny enough, I was about to invite you guys to check out NoFluff. If you are not subscribed to this newsletter, which is the newsletter that I'm publishing on a weekly basis, sometimes even a monthly basis. It depends if I find anything very interesting, so then I aggregate the content and just publish a newsletter with NoFluff stuff related to AI automation. So make sure to check it out at nofluff.online. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below with your feedback. And until next time, keep on automating.